In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross off text on Visme. Whether you're creating presentations, infographics, or any other visual content, sometimes you need to emphasize changes or corrections by crossing out certain text. This simple technique helps deliver your message more effectively and ensures your audience gets a clear picture of your intended changes. Let's dive into the process step by step. To get started, you'll want to open your Visme project where you have the text that needs to be crossed off. Once you're in your project, you'll head over to the Graphics section. Now here within Visme's interface, you'll find a tab labeled Graphics. Go ahead and click on it, and under Graphics, you'll see a section called Lines and Shapes. This is where we'll find the tool we need, a simple straight line. Once you've located Lines and Shapes, select a straight line from the options presented to you. Click on that line to insert it into your canvas. Initially, the line may appear anywhere on the page, so you'll need to click and drag it over to the text that requires crossing out. Position it precisely over the text. You can click and hold the line to move it, ensuring it's exactly where you'd like it to cover the text. If needed, you might have to adjust the rotation slightly depending on how your text is set on the page. Now, let's adjust the appearance of the line. If you look closely at the settings available to you once the line is selected, you'll be able to modify its thickness. This is an important step because the line should be thick enough to clearly cross out the text, but not so thick that it makes the text entirely unreadable. A balanced thickness will ensure your audience understands that this text is purposefully crossed out rather than being obscured. You also have options to change the color of the line. You might choose a color that's consistent with the theme of your project, or you might go with a neutral tone like black or red, which is commonly used for corrections. Simply click on the color option and select the desired hue that matches your needs. Lastly, consider the style of the line as well. You can choose from solid, dashed, or dotted styles depending on the effect you want to achieve. For most crossed-out texts, a solid line works best to convey that struck-through look, but feel free to experiment with the options offered under the line style settings. With these adjustments made, take a moment to review how everything looks. Ensure the line complements your overall design and effectively communicates the intended correction or change without overpowering the aesthetics of your work. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're ready to continue with your Visme project, confident that any text you needed to cross off is clearly marked. And that, in a few straightforward steps, is how you can easily cross off text on Visme. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!